friends, today we are going to play the game Among Us. It's a highly published game and it is a authorized game which is rated for 7 plus. And if we will talk about the rating, it has been rated by 4.5. So let's go through it. So the game has been presented by the Inner Sloth company. So when you will start this game, you will find first the Inner Sloth, and after that, first of all, it will works on net. So make sure that your net connectivity has been good. So there are two options, first local and online. In local you can create your own game, and in online you can find game by the option find game. Here you can add the names which you want to, and in host you can create your own games. You can select as imposters as you can, but up to only 3. There are 3 parts for playing. First the scale, second is the mirhab, and third is the polar. So the maximum players is 10 and you can decrease it but can't increase it. So the chat language is English, but you can select it once you want. And there is a globe here. In this globe you can play that there are 3 continents. First North America, after that Europe, and then Asia. So let's find the game. So now I have been joined to the game, and the host name is Sarah. So you can chat like this. So one more thing guys, here you can, if you want to play with your friends or any neighbors, you can just give that code and it will be entered by the code. I will make a special video for this option. Let me write here, I am uploading this video in YouTube, so anyone want to be famous? Let's see, where was I? Lie, start. Oh, I am drawn. Start me. Brown is saying that he want to be famous. Here our game starts, and I am the imposters, but there are 3 imposters among us, including me also. So it will be fun. Here you can sabotage, but I'm not going to sabotage. मैं sabotage नहीं करने जा रही हूँ. I will directly kill. And Sarah, I will not kill the host, because if I will, then the host will leave me. So but I think that this is a game, and all should give the chance that imposter हैं आप, host हैं आप, भगवान नहीं. So लेकिन बहुत सारे होस्ट कहते हैं कि मुझे मत मारो नहीं तो मैं तुम्हें बैन कर दूंगा, फिर किक कर दूंगा, वॉट एवर ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आई हैव बीन किक्ड हिम. रिपोर्ट मैं इसलिए नहीं करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मैं रिपोर्ट कर दूँगी तो वो सब कुछ बोलेगा सेल्फ डेथ एंड रिपोर्ट. लेट्स किल. ओ माय गॉड, मुझे मार देना चाहिए था उसे. एडमिन स्टार्ट. एडमिन कौन लिख रहा है भाई? हु let me vote. Let me skip this voting. Brown is saying that Sarah is lying, but Sarah is not lying. He is the imposter. No one is ejected. Skipped. 3 imposters still remains, including me, Brown, and one more. I don't think so. Who is that? Let me kill this host. Why? I don't like emergency meetings at all. Okay. Is the black imposter? Yes, he is. And no sis. Let me skip. Ow! So I have skipped the vote. As result, It has been tie, but two have skipped. One has voted red and two have voted black. So it should be tie, I think. Yes, it is, has been tie. And three imposters still remains, including me, brown and black. Now I want to kill both of them because oh, I have to wait for 38 seconds. Again emergency meeting. I don't like. Why? Why? I will skip. I will not take any type of risk. I will just skip. Sira is suspicious. Just skip if you don't know. I will not write anything at all. I will skip just quietly. Is it result? 3 have voted black and 1 have voted me and 1 have voted brown. Oh my god. He is the imposter. 2 imposters still remains, so we have to just play with our mind. No need to take any type of risk. Why they give the time? ये मुझे पसंद नहीं 36 seconds के लिए वेट करो या फिर इतने seconds के लिए वेट करो. Why? फिर तो बैठे रहो तब तक. देखो फिर से emergency meeting करेगा. इसके पहले मैं ही emergency meeting कर दूँगी पक्का ही इसके ही चक्कर में. सब ने मुझे वोट किया है गाइस. सब मुझे बोल रहे थे कि मैंने एक के सामने ही मार दिया था एंड मैं तो मर गई. कोई बात नहीं. प्लीज़ ध्यान से खेलो यार. सैबोटेज करके क्या फ़ायदा. इतना अच्छा मौका था इम्पोस्टर बनने का. अब घूमते हुए इधर से उधर. वैसे ये सिनेरियो काफ़ी अच्छा है. What should I do by sabotaging other? If I have been killed or dead, then what I will do by sabotaging? Here it's storage. You can still sabotage. No need to be sabotage here. Please, 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 Venuja. Let me show you where it is showing. Here it is showing. You can still sabotage other. What can I do? Just and here we got victory because why? Because दो left हो गए थे तो including them we got victory. 5 में तो नहीं खेलेंगे क्योंकि there should be 3 imposters तो 5 में नहीं शुरू करना चाहिए. I think so. Noob. Game starts. Oh, what a luck again, imposter. Why they gave time like 7 or 6 seconds? It's my last chance and I will stop recording. Why? If you don't know that who is, just skip. Don't you take risk at all. All have been skipped. About 4 have been skipped. So it has been skipped generally. No one was ejected. It was skipped. 3 imposters still remains, again including me. Should I kill him? But I have to wait for 38 seconds, so no need. What a luck I have now. So I think that I have to close here. मुझे यहीं पे ख़त्म कर देना चाहिए. So if you want to know the results कि इस गेम में क्या हुआ तो just subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video and do whatever you want to do in the meanwhile. Bye.